What's going on YouTube? And I'm back at again with another video. And today's video is I've had this for ages, but I never really fitted it to the VXR. So I thought I got some free time today, so why not just fit it? So yeah, I thought I don't remember the place where it goes to tell you where it goes, but I can show you where it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna fit this today. And yeah, keep tuning. And I got some more. The next video that you're gonna see, I'm gonna be fitting my new door handles as well. I've got a carbon door handle, and yeah. There guys, cold start. I'm about to put the car in my garden now. Alright, I've just parked now. I'm about to pop the bonnet and let's get this installed, man. Oh, bird chat right there. I don't know how the hell bird could shit right there. Alright guys, never guess what happened to my wheel the other day. I went into a car wash, and because it's spray paint, whatever, the rim rubbed on the thing a little bit, and yeah, it just kind of just took the spray paint off. But apart from that, I might respray it today, but the car's looking nice, man. Yeah. Now let's get this put on. I need to clean my engine there as well. Look how dirty that is. And bow. This goes here like this. Right there. Have I done it right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I'm trying to remember where it goes, to be honest. Where the hell does it go? Alright, I'll be back when I find out where it goes, but it goes somewhere there. I'm guessing it goes like there, like that, innit? Let me try and see. I'm literally confused of where it goes. Something like this. To cover all that. And I got some carbon door handles coming today as well. Alright guys, my little workbench. I marked out the hole and everything. Yeah, should do right there. See if I drill the actual right hole. Yeah, right there. That's it. I'm just gonna unscrew this. Make sure you tighten this back up, because that's the tensioner for your bonnet to open. And I locked myself out of the bonnet last time I tried to do this. So now I'm gonna put you somewhere. Whack some screws through here, so it turns out. Alright guys, about to put the last screw in. Wow. Light work, light work, light work. Alright, it's on there now. I'm about to do some cinematics of it. It's got a bit scratched because obviously I just had it laying about. And we get some I need to get an intake pipe next as well. Intake, I already got the intercooler, intake pipe, and yeah. And I also got some carbon door handles coming today, which is gonna be lit. So right now we're just gonna roll into the cinematics.
Yeah, cause I aim it when I'm tryna get the racks on. All I think about is tryna get the stacks on. She got the sacks on, let's put the racks on. Karate kid, cause we know he gon' take the racks off. Cause I aim it when I'm tryna get the racks on. All I think about is tryna get the stacks on. I got my facts on, just let me rap, yo.
Handles are here, man. Want carbon? I'll put the link in the description down below.
You can do the talking, so I'm gonna unscrew this anti-clockwise left with the handle out.
So the handle has to be out.
Handle's got to be pulled out like that.
Okay. Oh shit, you want me to hold the hand out?
No, I'll do it. And then once the handle's out, the handle will stay out.
Yeah.
You pull this out, right, and then you take the handle out and then swap it over.
Wait, what's this?
But you might need a cable tie because sometimes there's a latch and the latch pops back inside
I've
the
got some
fucking
cable
door.
ties over there.
So, right,
I'll go and get them right now, innit? Yeah,
I'll
it's
get the handle out first.
screwing it out now, innit? Listen, you're ready for car meet season soon.
Yeah.
Coming back this year with everything new.
Alright, look at the handle now. The handle's staying out, yeah? See it?
Yeah.
So basically, keep unscrewing it, keep an eye on it, and then eventually, this will, it should, in theory,
It'll just come out.
yours has never been off, has it? Alright?
Comes off. Actually, because there's not a tutorial online about these, is there?
Yeah, so you got to keep on doing it till that comes out. Right, that's your, then your handle will come out like that. So you pass me the other
See,
handle.
I didn't even know how it comes out, did it?
Pass me the carbon handle. Carbon handle, there's a little bar in it, clips in. Yeah. Right, and then the other piece. That screws in there, that pushes back in. Alright. Hold the handle out. Screw it up.
Like that. I thought I have to take the whole door card off.
Nah, mate. I did that first time. And in theory, handles go back up. Do the screw all the way.
Oh, that already looks way better, man. Yeah, I'm gassed. Here's how the handles are looking. Not bad. There you go, one of them's on already.
Right, and you got to do this like this. Lever it off. It comes off.
Oh, and that just stops over.
Get a new one. Tight because obviously I've carbon skinned them, haven't I? So
Yeah.